Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into your Google account and opening Google Drive or Docs. Next, locate the word doc or docx file on your computer or connected cloud. Make sure the file is under typical upload limits and your internet is stable. Interruptions cause corruption. Once ready, click New in Drive, then File Upload, and select the Word document. You're initiating the transfer now, so watch the progress bar and do not close the browser until the upload completes. Once the upload finishes, right-click the word File in Drive and choose Open with, then Google Docs. Google converts the document into an editable docs format. This preserves most styles, but check headings, tables, and images. If you need exact layout, compare side by side with the original Word. For multiple files, enable Drive's Convert Upload setting to automate conversion. Make adjustments directly in Docs, and use version history to revert if conversion changes content you want to keep. After conversion, Google Docs autosaves your file. Verify last edit saved to avoid surprises. Now share by clicking Share, entering emails, and setting viewer, commenter, or editor permissions. If collaborators need Microsoft Word compatibility, download as docx from File right arrow download. If formatting breaks, try uploading the original as a PDF for layout preservation, or fix problematic styles manually in Docs. Sometimes clearing complex formatting resolves issues. If up
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.